Senior advocate of Nigeria, Robert Clarke, you go for interview for Channels TV where they interview am concerning Nigeria matter as usual, and they ask am say wetin be reaction to wetin the DSS talk concerning the warning against those wey dey plan disintegrated matters for this country. And according to this man answer now, my people, now this man answer now make even bring me come outside here, because everybody don't they talk many things. People don't they get their own different opinion concerning the matter. And he talk say the situation where they for Nigeria now they very bad, to the point where Nigeria no go fit survive the next 6 months. I beg, I bring a corner aside. First of all, make una listen from the horse's mouth. Join me, make me watch the video.
The situation in this country today is so bad that I, Robert Clarke, I cannot guarantee Nigeria staying another 6 months. The problems are so overwhelming, and they have been created by these same politicians. Since 1999 Constitution came into being, and this crop of politicians, young boys then, who were swimming in Abacha's loot and trying to form as many political parties for him, got into money and came into politics. Nigeria has never been the same. Nigeria is worse than it was in 1982. 1982, when Tafawa Shagari was the military, was the president of the country, is a better Nigeria than today, 2021. What is the cause? The cause is the leadership we have.
My people, no be small thing. As soon as they hear me now, everybody get their own opinion. This one go talk say Nigeria, may they not talk. No, the one will even bring me here now, my people, I go start up from that side. Some people now, they talk say, na cause, say na swear, say how go talk say Nigeria, how they will not survive 6 months. My people, I beg, no be swear. Some things we not supposed to know by now. This one, see, swear they far from this matter. This one no be cause, no be swear, no be anything. It is the fact. Nigeria know how. 6 months. See, even when this man talks 6 months, you know what they go off for my mind. I say if we reach 6 months, thank God. Because I mean they talk say go talk say like 3 months. Una no matters wey dey happen on a daily. Hey. And now the one wey even they pay me now be say everybody go come outside now they talk about Nigeria problem. Now the problem where I get right now. Everybody they talk about Nigeria's problem. Nigeria's problem is this. All of una they point Nigeria's problem. Ungwanu we know. Yes, we know insecurity, we know poverty, we know no jobs, we know, no, just continue the mention. My question now be say, what is the solution? Una no notice. This one will come out, bandits are the problem. That one will come out, Buhari is this one. That one will come out, government is that. Everybody they point. If all of us start the point, everybody go get 1 point. 200 million points go there for this Nigeria. But what is the solution? Waiting be that thing now way. At least now that one that they explain me, everybody come outside they talk. Because the problem with this our security agency, my people, it is not far. If you they think of problem with this security, no start they think far, no go, they go. See, it is very simple. These people they take advice from the ruling party. Now the only place where they take advice from. They no one listen to, you understand, so another person's opinion. See, and now waiting they kill us as Africans. We always want to do our own thing. We know even they listen. At least see, learn to study people, maybe outside or something. Everything we won't do on our way. Instead of making they do our job. As the they call her, as the constitution demands, be as what? Una don't even forget constitution. Una don't even forget law. You be all of you. Una don't forget everything. As it is now, my people, I don't know whether Nigeria still get up to 6 months. And they repeat them. 20 people die. This one rape that one. That one rape this one. Now like that country they move. If 6 months reach, any Ashana God, it's only God that can do a miracle. It is only God that can do. My people, it is bad. Now because see, all these ones, all these small things when at the year, now just the ones when at the year. You know how many things they happen when you yourself, you never hear about them. Many things need to be changed in this country. The things plenty where we need change for this Nigeria. Security issue for this country, you don't dare alarm me. I beg. Now why? See, I support this man. Oh. I support what he talk. Very, very important. But if you dey against them, like the other people dey, I bet why not? Drop am for that comment section and make the battle start the begin. Meanwhile, yes, when I go send they get another presenter for this place. Guess where she's from and guess who she is. Okay, I go give you another tip. Now from the southeast states. Yes. So I beg, if you dey think of something or you know who the person be, why not drop am for that comment section and still share this video because everybody need to know. Say Nigeria has less than 6 months to survive. Anyhow, I beg, still drop up for that comment section. And do not forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell. If not, you go miss every interesting matter where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.